Hello everyone, welcome to Khan Cloud Academy YouTube channel. So I'm Shamim Khan and I have more than 14 years of experience in IT industry and right now I'm working as a cloud and DevOps architect, right? So I'm thrilled to have you here as a part of our learning community. Whether you are looking for to master new skills, dive into fascinating topics, or simply enjoy the journey of lifelong learning, you are the right place. Okay, on this channel basically we are committed to providing high quality education content that's both informative and enjoyable. So hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's embark on this exciting learning adventure together. Don't forget to turn on our notification to stay updated on our latest videos. Here is to a future filled with knowledge and discovery. Thank you. Let's a little bit talk about data structure with Python free learning course. So this is a free learning, forum. Okay. And if I move, let's move to the next slide. What is an array? So, so arrays are a fundamental data structure and an important part of the part and an important part of most programming languages. In Python, they are containers which are able to store more than one item at a time at the same time. Okay. Specifically, they are on ordered collection of element with every value being of the same data type. So that is the most important thing to remember about Python arrays, the fact that they can only hold a sequence of multiple items that are of the same type. Okay. So as you can see on the slide, what is the properties of array? So each array element is of the same data type and size. For example, here uh, for an array of integer with the int data type, okay, each element of the array will occupy 4 bytes. So here you can see this is the array element which is representing 3, 45, 21, 8, and 73. And array index is basically the position of the element, particular element is like array 0, 3 is on array 0, 1. 45 is at, array 1. Same way, 21 is array 2 and 8 is array 3 and 73 is array 4. So you have to be sure, I mean, where the all the elements is occupying the bytes and storing the data in the containers. Okay. So this is array element, which is representing 3, 45, 21, 21. And array index basically what is the position of this particular elements. Okay, like array 0, array 1, array 2, array 3, and array 4. Okay. I'm moving to the next slide. Operation on array in Python. That is a very important topic. Okay. So in Python, basically, there is a 6 type of operation is mentioned here: append, insert, pop, remove, index, and reverse. So we are going to discuss in this topic is about append, right? But before moving ahead, we must know the array data type values list in the what is the in the Python. Okay, so so basically this function is used to create an array with the data type and value list specified in its argument. Some data types are mentioned in the table below. So these are some example. Some data type are mentioned in the table below, right? So B sign chart, Python is integer and the minimum size of the byte is 1. So same hands on, I mean, you just need to uh, go to all the slides, right? This is what and this is the values of the Python. Like F represents float, float, and 4. Okay. Now jump to the Python append method. Okay. So what is append in Python? Okay. So Python append, you can say the function inserts a single element into an existing list. right? The element will be added to the end of the old list rather than being returned to a new list. So whatever you have existing, you need to increase some or inserting by the element. You just use this append method function to use it. Okay. So append, the what is the syntax of this Python is append, and this is the inverted syntax of the Python. Syntax of the Python represents by append and brackets. So now we're going to write some program a little bit, okay? And this is importing an array operation, import an array. So I'm just giving this, just try it with your laptop or computers, okay? Let's write some program, okay? So I'm going to write this program and give you the output as well. So first thing, we have to comment out and write importing array for array one I'm representing operation. Okay. So what is the command for this we used? Import array, right? And same way now, next we have to go do initialize integers, right? Now we have to define the array. So I'm representing here array one is equal to array dot array I. It should be an inverted comma, single comma space one comma two comma three. Okay. So we define the array here. Okay. Array one is equal to array dot array. This is the type code initializer 1, 2, 3, right? Now we have to print this. So printing original array. Okay. Print mm, the new created array is and equal to for I in range 0, 3 colon. Use print function to print array array 1. Okay. So let's check what the result is going to be give it. Okay, so let me run this. And what is created the array? New created array is a 1, 2, 3, right? That is correct. What which you will trying to define. Now we have to use append, right? And see what the result. So printing appended array. Okay. Array we have to define array 1 dot we have to use append ab append. What I am inserting? Number 4. 1 to 3 is already there. So 4 we have to insert, right? And use semicolon. Okay. Now we have to print the appended arrays okay for what for I in range okay, that's it. So now we have to run the and we see the appended result. Okay, just give us 1 2 3 4. So let's back to the coding. So just try it with your laptop and whatever the machine you are using, and it's a very simple task. Okay, uh, thanks for watching and see you soon on the next video. Stay inspired, never stop learning. Khan Cloud Academy. Thank you very much.